Amarachi, did you remove my book from this table?
Yes, I did. They are behind you.
You are very, very stupid. How dare you touch my books? Eh? Do you know how much they cost in the market?
Oh, give me, what is
What is this idiot though?
What did she do again? What did you do?
She removed my book from where I kept them.
Eh? Mark, again is it?
Auntie, I just removed them to clean the table.
Fool.
And who were you referring to as a fool?
That is this girl. She removed my book from where I kept them, and I'm very sure she must have done that with her watering hands.
Sir, that's not true. My hands were dry when I removed the book to clean the table.
Must you remove the books from the table before cleaning it? Eh?
I'm sorry, ma.
Oh, please. Kaepo.
It's okay, Amarachi. Please go back to work. I will talk to you when I come back. Meanwhile, what about your brother?
He's inside.
It's okay. I'll talk to both of you when I come back. Eh? Go back to your work.
Thank you, sir.
This one no happen, that one no happen. For poor man's story, oh, something must have happened.
You stayed back to Peter, right?
And what does that supposed to mean?
Can't you just be honest for once and tell yourself the truth? Huh? You think you can deceive me forever? Of course you know it's not possible. It's so obvious that Amarachi is your mistress and Nnamdi the product of that unholy affair.
Rosemary. 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 How many times did I call you? How many times? Listen, let this be the last time you make these unholy utterances in my house. Be warned. Be warned.
The truth they say is bitter.
You've heard what I said. Amarachi and her brother remain who I told you they are. And make sure my children do not hear this.
Story. Mike Ejala. Akụkọ n'egwu Mike Ejala.
left too.
Where's the brother?
He's in the room sleeping.
Sleeping? By this time? Okay. I want to see you.
You want to see me?
Yes. Come to my room. I have something very important I would like to show you. Yes, come in. He's not coming. Yes, I sent for you. Yes. Go to that wardrobe. Under it, you see all my dirty clothes. Just pack them. I want you to wash them for me.
Okay.
Yes, it's obvious. And some of this is food. Don't worry. Come close. Okay. You're very beautiful. I like everything about you, the way you do. You're very beautiful. Stop this you're doing now. Stop now. I'm saying you're very beautiful. I want you to allow me to do it. Let's do it together. I promise you. You see this house? Nobody, not even my mom, will maltreat you in this house again. Now this house will be. Excuse me, hold on now. Don't see. Now, if you do this with me now, you are now the owner of the house. Me and you now, the house belongs to us. Do you know my father bought this house?
Face me. Turn the other way. What happened to you?
No.
What happened to you?
Something hit me inside the bus when I was coming back from school.
Well, I want to tell both of you that you should be mindful of that girl, Amarachi, and her brother, henceforth.
Mom, don't you think we demand proper explanation from Dad concerning Amarachi and her brother?
Well, that is why I want you to monitor them, spy on them, eavesdrop on every conversation they have in this house. Is that clear?
Yes. Don't worry, Mom. Don't worry. See that Amarachi? Oh my God. See that Amarachi? I will deal with her in this house.
Dad said they are going to stay here for a while until they are able to get a place to stay. Don't you think he has a plan of getting a place for them?
Mom, we heard what he said, and we will do just that.
That my experience in the hands of those kidnappers was hell. The experience was just not funny. The way they treated me, the place they kept me, the kind of food they gave me to eat, the dirty water. After I took it the first day, I refused tasting anything from them. I didn't know I was going to stay that long. Thank God for my life.
Son, I felt for you. I felt for you.
It was the most traumatizing experience I ever had all my life. Those guys acted as though they knew my route. They waited for me at the exact road I was taking to lunch.
Who is that?
Hello.
Hello, you're welcome.
Thank you. I guess this is Chief Njoku's house.
Yes, and who are you?
Chief gave me an appointment. Is he in?
Please wait for me. Let's go.
Yes, who was that lady that, you went to lunch with?
Good day, Chief.
Good day. Are you Clara Joseph?
Yes, I am.
Oh, sit down. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir. Hi.
Hi.
Who is she, Dad?
She's the young lady that picked you up from the side of the road and took you to the hospital.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. God bless you for saving my life.
Don't mention. Don't worry. You're welcome.
Dad, look, we need to celebrate her for saving my life.
That was why I invited you over. Good.
And you did not tell me. This is such a big surprise. Sorry, do you stay around here?
No, not exactly. I stay around Oba roundabout. It's not very far from here anyways.
I know Agba.
No.
Yeah.
Eva, please get something for her to drink.
Okay. Okay.
No. Seriously, I'm fine. I don't want to take anything, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Are you shy?
No, I just don't feel like taking anything.
Right. Then excuse me. All right.
So, how are you feeling now?
Fine, I'm strong. I'm fit as a fiddle. 50-50.
That's nice. But how did you find yourself there?
My dear, it's a long story, honestly. I don't know. I don't want to go into all of that. I just thank God that I am saved. And thank you for coming to my rescue.
Young lady, this is for you. For saving the life of my son.
300,000. Yes. Wow. Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome.
But meanwhile, I have to get a drink. Whether you like it or not, I'm going to get a drink.
I don't feel like getting a drink, sir. Please, I have to rush off now.
We are not happy the way we are being treated in this house. Your wife and children treat us like slaves.
That's true, sir. Every little thing in this house, they scold us, sir.
Well, I've heard what you said. But listen, I want you to be patient. A patient dog eats the fattest bone.
That's true, sir.
Good. And when you start walking, nobody will be able to be sending you unnecessarily around. All those disturbances will end. Huh?
Yes,
so very soon there will be vacancies in our company and I will fix both of you somewhere.
Thank you, sir.
If I tell you what I passed through in this city before I got to this level, you will not believe it. You understand me? So I want you to take whatever that is happening to you or whatever that you're seeing now, take it in good faith. Very shortly, all those things will be over. Good. I bought some clothes for you because I saw you mending your clothes the other day. Yeah? So you have to add this one to this one and start dressing like somebody that is in the city. Some guy in the village. Thank you. Thank you.
Watching TV. What were you doing inside?
Sister Jeans! Sister Jeans!
Yeah.
Hey. Sister, what did they call this one?
What was the meaning of that?
What was the meaning of what? Do you think I did not hear everything that was said in that bedroom? I heard it all.
What is wrong with you, Rosemary?
I should be the one asking you. Don't let me raise my voice, oh. I should be the one asking you. What is your problem? Eh? Did they in any way complain to you that they did not have clothes? Why would you go out of your way to buy them clothes if... Tell me, if you do not have cockroaches in your cupboard.
Enough of this rubbish. I am warning you for the last time. I am warning you.
Ah, you have not started warning me. You see that Amarachi and her brother or whatever he is to her must surely leave this house.
They are not going anywhere.
Eh?
They are going nowhere. They are my friend's children and I must fulfill my obligation to his family.
Obligation? Did you say obligation? Wait, oh, are they your children? Eh? Are they your children? Eh? The truth must surely come out one day. If it's okay, oh yeah, but I know what's wrong. And you go to my man.
What is wrong with you? Eh? Where did I go wrong by trying to render help to my friend's family? Can you this way go tell them on a beacon? Eh?
Open this door now. Open this door. If I come inside there, I will so slap. Why did you not open the door on time? Eh? What were you people doing? Oh, shut up. What's that? Come. Where are all those clothes my husband bought for you? Bring them.
Clothes?
Hey, food. My friend, Mwagula. Uneje without those clothes now. Do you think I'm playing with you? Eh? Do you think I'm playing with you? What is that one? No, they are more than this now. Come here, come. Yay! I will forget my hand on your face. Bring. I'd rather burn these things than allowing you wear them. Food. Is it your money? Is it your own money? Get busy now.
Hey! Sister, she wants to burn our clothes. My new jeans. Sister, Uncle must hear of this. Oh. Uncle must hear of this.
Eh? He gave you 300,000 naira.
Yes, so just like that.
Wait, for taking his son to the hospital.
In fact, the kind of treatment that they gave me the day I went to the house, I have never been treated like that in my whole life.
Hey! Oh, Lord is uncountable. Hi, I wish I were you.
Sister, I am still in shock.
You should be. Huh? The man must be a good man.
He's a very nice man. He's hopeless. Yeah. Those strangers you told me about. You have to be very, very careful. Open your eyes. Open your eyes very wide.
My eyes are open. My eyes are open. They cannot stay in my house. I must make sure they leave that house.
Just take your time and do proper investigation about everything that your husband told you, so that you can find the truth inside it.
Oh, Clara, one more. The most painful part of it is that my husband is not even telling me the truth at all.
Yeah.
Hi.
Wow. You have right to do anything you want to do.
Are you telling me? I know. I'll go to any length to make sure they leave that house. There's no problem. Let me believe in them.
Okay. Oh. Let me see you.
All the time.
Let's go.
All right. Bye.
Son, how was work today at the office?
Work was fine, Dad. Everybody's missing you. But I reassured them that you'll be back to work soon.
Well, I am getting stronger every day. Son, I am thinking of that lady that visited us a few days ago.
You mean Clara?
Yes, Clara. Son, I want you to observe her. Ask around. If she's not married, I think she's a good wife.
You're a very sensitive man.
Yes, my son, because the likes of her are hard to come by these days.
I've heard you, Dad. I'll give it a thought.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm tidying up my room.
Leave this one. Go and tidy up my husband's bedroom.
Okay, ma. And let me just finish. I'll go and do it immediately.
Are you mad? No. Are you out of your senses? Get out now.
This one no happen, that one no happen. For poor man's story, oh, something must happen. For my life, oh, that's so come on. If this one no happen, that one no happen.
police officers?
Yes, they carry guns.
Open the gate. I said go and open the gate.
Good day, sir. I am Inspector Ken from the State Security Service. Is this Chief Njoku's house?
I am Chief Njoku. What? How may I help you?
Well, we are looking for one Mr. Obiora. We went to his place, but a neighbor whom he told his whereabouts directed us to this place.
Is that not Gina?
Yes, Gina, sir.
Which one? What's going on here now?
Young man, you are under arrest for masterminding the kidnapping of Mr. Eva. And the sum of 80 million naira was paid for his ransom.
Sir, what are you talking about? I am the victim of the kidnapper. Nobody here is my friend.
Are you Mr. Eva?
Yes. I was kidnapped and released some days ago. I paid 80 million naira.
Young man, do you know this lady?
Yeah, I know her. That's Gina. I knew her through my friend here, Obiora.
What a coincidence. Then you have to come with us to the station. We might be needing your statement. This young man here you call your friend and his girlfriend connived and kidnapped you.
What? Unfortunately, we stopped Gina here on our way to the bank with a huge amount of money. And we interrogated her. She couldn't tell us the source of the money. So we took her to the station where she confessed. And the hoodlums have been arrested.
You did this to me? You devil! Eva was led by the devil. You? You are the devil? Eva, I'm sorry, please.
Take this man out before I do something drastic.
There won't be need for that. You have to follow us to the station.
It hasn't gotten to this. Please,
young man,
we can settle this. We can settle
man.
this. Eva, yes, Eva, you're my friend. Young man, don't make me this.
Eva, you
move. Move. See, we can settle this. Move. Eva, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Obiora! Obiora! Rosemary, did you remove money from this drawer?
What kind of a question is that one? You know I don't touch your money without your consent.
I am not joking. 100,000 naira was removed from this drawer. Out of the 500,000 naira I kept here.
Have you checked the drawer very well?
Where else will I check for it? The money was here before I left this morning.
Are you really serious about this?
Do I look like I'm kidding? You are the only person that has access to my room. So you should know what I'm talking about.
Are you in any way thinking I stole your money?
Who else entered my room in my absence? What are you talking about? You've not said anything and you're walking out.
I just remembered something. I'm coming, please.
Where's she going? But I checked this morning before I left this morning. No.
Mommy, the first man is mine.
very hungry. I don't know why we'll have to do all the dishes and clean this kitchen before we eat our own food. Meanwhile, they're eating their food and they're all asleep.
Namdi, you are still complaining.
Why would I complain when they are treating us like we're slaves in this house?
Come. Where is my husband's money you took from his room when you went to tidy it up? Bring it.
Auntie, I did not see any money.
Will you shut up? What is that? Eh? Who else did if it was not you? You were the one that went there alone to make up his room.
Auntie, see,
Don't just let God punish you this night, oh. I
swear I did not take any money.
I want to go and search your room. Follow me now. Where is that money?
Auntie, I did not see any money.
Don't make me look like a liar. Where did you keep that money? Give it to me. Give me that 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira, Broblego. Bring it out.
What is happening here? You kept me waiting in the bedroom.
My husband. This is the criminal that stole your 100,000 naira.
What? Amarachi?
No. Rosemary.
Uncle, I did not carry any money.
Oh, this girl is just trying to make me look like a liar. Why are you still denying it? Eh? You see that 100,000 naira? Yeah,
and how do you know she's the one that took the money? Besides, what she's going to do with her 100,000 naira?
Well, she will drink zobo with it. You see why I have been suspecting you? You have already started defending her. Eh? If for that money, you will tasigia. If not, I will call the police and have you arrested this minute. In short, let me search for that money. Because I know that money is here. Unless she has taken it out, I know. Yeah? Where did you keep that money? Amarachi? Naibonyori, where did you keep that money?
Rosemary, you can see you are accusing this innocent girl for nothing.
Who is innocent? Gagwa. Innocent. She is not innocent. Nanya. I'm a Naibonyori. But you see that money? You see what will happen.
Enough of this. Enough of this drama. You are just accusing this innocent girl for nothing.
Drama. Do I look like an actor to you? Give me that money or you see what happens to you.
I'm sorry about that. Please, don't take it for anything.
Thank you, sir.
This one no happen, that one no happen. For poor man story, oh, something must happen. If you know they complain, poor man they cry, poor man life, oh, na so come on.
Amarachi is a criminal. She must have taken that money out. But how did they know there was money there? What do I do now?
Rosemary, it is obvious you knew what happened to my 100,000 naira.
Stop making unnecessary insinuations. I told you Amarachi must have taken that money when she came to tidy this place up. Why wouldn't you listen to me?
When you searched their bedroom, did you find anything?
She must have taken that money away. Huh?
Well, all I know is that my money will not get missing in this house. I don't want to wake Nonye and Mike up now. But whoever that took that money must bring it out.
Well, whatever you do, please do not get my children involved. They came back from school late.
They will speak for themselves when I summon them tomorrow morning. You said you wanted to show me something.
Yes, Uncle. Uncle, please, we are so sorry for the inconveniences.
That's the money I'm looking for. Don't tell me my wife was right.
No, Uncle, I did not take the money. It was your wife who hid it under our mattress.
She planted it under your mattress?
Yes, sir. My brother saw her when she was hiding the money under our mattress. And he told me I suspected what she wanted to do. So I removed the money and we hid it somewhere else.
Are you sure of what you just said now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw her through the window when she hid the money after asking my sister to go and sweep her room, sir.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you.
Sir, please.
Sir, please, don't tell Auntie how you found the money.
Mom, why was Dad asking us about the money since you already told him that Amarachi was alone in that room yesterday?
My problem is that I don't even understand what is going on in this house. Mom, that girl must be tortured. She's hiding that money somewhere in this house. I'm sure of it.
Your father is the problem we have in this house.
Mom, this is not time for mercy. This is not time for mercy. That money must come out. What I need from you now is just this son, action. Nyeye the girl able now.
I wonder what is still keeping him inside. Let him come out. Let us sort this whole thing out.
No, there's nothing to sort out. The only solution here is what Mike just said. That girl must bring out that money, whether she likes it or not. She must bring it out.
Just say, man.
And why are you staring at me like that?
Rosemary, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I am glad to inform you that your plans have failed. This is the money you took from my drawer. Rosemary, God will definitely reward each and every one of us according to our work.
Wait, Dad. Are you accusing Mom of stealing the money?
She will answer the question herself. Well, I have nothing to say until I come back.
Wait. Mom, what was he saying?
Where did you bring that money out? Hey. Don't just pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. What did you tell my husband?
Nothing.
Okay. I will find it out. And when I do, you will regret ever stepping your feet in this house. You will see.
Just look at the kind of confusion you and your stupid brother are causing in this house. I don't even know where my dad picked you and your stupid brother up from. You better go back to where it came from. What would you do? You want to beat me in my own father's house? You want to beat me? Come and beat me now. Come and beat. See, just get ready to leave this house. You hear me? Get ready to leave this house. You and that thing you call your brother. Stupid girl. Hush, come back here.
Come, I will beat you like a baby. Your mother is a thief. Mawiboyoshi, a big thief. Go and ask her. Yeah? Anything you try me in this house, I will just keep you, kneel down and beat you, and you will cry like a baby. Are you done? Better go and get
thief! Leave this house! Leave this house with your stupid brother. We don't need you.
Don't go and get some sense.
Son, I am thinking of that lady that visited us a few days ago.
You mean Clara?
Yes, Clara. Son, I want you to observe her. Ask around. If she's not married, I mean, I think she's a good wife.
You're a very sensitive man.
Yes, my son, because the likes of her are hard to come by these days.
I've heard you, Dad. I'll give it a thought.
Okay.
Wednesday, look at her. Do I blame you? I kept a big bed for you. Why will you not be sleeping at this time of the day? Uncle, good morning. So you're still sleeping by this time? Eh? Oh, please. Be sorry for yourself. Arrange here. Look for something to do. What is your problem? Because I kept a big bed for you. Just come here and lie down and sleep. Hey, meet me in the kitchen now.
Yes, ma'am.
Stay back!
Will you get off from that thing and watch that place?
Watch it! Watch it! Stay there and watch TV! Well, where is she?
I don't want to get on and die.
You're washing the plates after my mom has beaten the hell out of you. Stupid girl. When are you even leaving this house, self? Eh? I thought by now you would have gotten the so-called job that brought you to this house. What are you still doing here? Eh?
Leave this place now.
And if I don't do, what would you do? Beat me in my father's house? Look, this is my father's house. I can choose to stay anywhere I like. You hear me? I don't need to take permission from you.
Noni, you're looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble.
So, what would you do? Can you do anything? What can you do? You want to beat me?
You're looking for my trouble. Ah! You are looking for my trouble.
Amarachi.
Amarachi. Obroko okiri from Otua.
Amarachi, leave me.
Obroko okiri from Otua.
Amarachi, leave me.
Clara, pick up your phone. Where she got it? Clara, pick this and call. What is it? Amarachi. Huh? She almost gave me. What? Huh? What? Where is she? Go things down. Where? Kitchen.
I know I'm your father's house, but the next time you try me, you got banner giving Kinene. You should know okay from Otua. Nonsense. Idiot.
So it has come to this level. You now threaten my daughter's life in her father's house, right?
But I think she started it first now.
She started what? Idiot. Amarachi. 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 Ami.
Mommy, what happened?
I don't know.
Hey, did you use this pistol on her?
Are you mad? With that many friends and you're asking me questions. Shut up! Is it not your fight I'm fighting?
Amara! Hey, Mom, she's not waking up. Amarachi! Ami, wake up now. Amara! Amarachi!
Wow! This is good. You have a very nice place here. That means I'll come here to do all my shopping.
That would be very nice of you. Thank you.
Now you see, since that day I saw you for the first time, I've not been able to control myself. Something about you struck me. You're a very beautiful woman. The thoughts of you have not left my head. That's why I'm still asking you to give me a chance. Please marry me.
I thought we were done with this.
Not until you give me a positive answer.
I can't give you a positive answer. I'm already engaged to someone. I don't want to break his heart.
Alright, I promise you I will make a better husband than that person. Just give me a chance to prove my love to you, that's all. No, I'm serious. Your love is all I need. That person you're hoping on might just disappoint you tomorrow. We won't do that.
Oh my own.
Well, I'm not giving up until you say yes to me. I've seen your place. It's a nice place, and like I said, I promise to come to my shopping here. I have to run along.
So suddenly, you won't take anything?
No, I had lunch before coming. But not to worry, some other time. Alright, take care of you.
I will. Alright, take care.
I will, and you too.
Bye.
That is very wicked of you. Look at what you did to your fellow woman's daughter.
She started it. After all, I complained about what she did to my daughter, but you didn't do anything about it.
I don't believe that story. Because Amarachi has told me everything that happened. Now I should be one to mind her business because she's not Amarachi's mate.
So why are you still denying the fact that Amarachi is your mistress? It's her word against mine. You value her more than your family.
Listen to yourself. No. Just listen to yourself. Thank God that girl did not die as a result of what you did to her.
Like I care. Honestly, I still regret why I resuscitated her. She would have just died.
Who will face the consequence? Who?
Biko, take her out of this place. Take them out of here. Since they came in here, that there has not been peace in this home.
It's because you, Rosemary, has refused to allow peace reign in this house.
Daniel, please, let them go. They don't belong here. Please.
What kind of nonsense is this? Thank you. You cannot allow me to rest in my house.
Sister, one day this woman will kill one of us in this house. Imagine what she did to you this evening. One day she will just kill one of us in this house.
Remember, we are here for a purpose. We are here to better our lives and that of Mama.
To better our lives. So I'm not safe in this house again. I want to go back to the village. But I'm not safe in this house. I can't stay in this house. I'm not safe in this house, sister.
Remember we came here because we didn't want to make the same mistake that I did. How do you think Mama will feel if we go back to the village without fulfilling all we promised her?
Good evening, sir. Good evening. I'm Arachi. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I am here to apologize once more for what my wife did to you. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
How is your body?
Uncle, what about the job you promised us? Uncle, is the job not forthcoming?
I've secured jobs for both of you in a company that manufactures phone. But you have to wait till this month is over.
be working there while we're waiting for vacancies in my place of work.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
I appreciate all your concern towards us.
Oh, it's no problem. I always tell your late father that nothing good comes easy. Please, I urge you to be focused. Don't allow anything to distract you. Huh? This is a trial moment in your life. And I believe you will definitely actualize your dream.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Good night, sir.
Have a wonderful night.
Thank you, sir. What is it again? You heard everything the man said. Joe.
Sister, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy in this house. You are just saying thank you, sir, thank you, sir, thank you, sir. One day that woman will kill one of us in this house. That woman will kill us in this house. And the husband will not do anything about it. You are saying thank you,
It's okay, man. It's okay.
For a long time now, I've not heard from my children. I can't sleep at night. I keep having bad dreams about them. I hope all is well with them. God, protect and keep them for me.
Hey, hello?
Hello? Mama, it's me, Amarachi.
Hey, Nne. Hey, no. Hey, Nne. Nne, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. How are you too?
Nne, Manomi, I'm fine.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, Nne, it's been long I have not heard from you. Eh? I've been so worried.
Mama, we are fine, no. We are fine. It's just that we have been very busy.
Eh. Have you started work?
No, Mama. But, Mr. Don is saying he has secured a job for us.
Oh, Mom. God, thank you. Thank God, eh? Nne, greet him for me, oh, Mom.
Okay, Mama. He will hear. Mama, I hope you are taking good care of yourself. Oh.
No, I'm trying. So, Badro, oh, Mom. How about your brother? You didn't tell me about him.
Mama, he is fine. But he's not here with me.
I hope you're living in peace with his family.
Yes, Mama. Mama, say, I'll call you back. I don't have enough money. I'll call you when we start working, yeah?
No, Mom, no problem. Oh, Mom, stay well, oh?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, oh? Hey. 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 Hey.
Hey. Mama. Hey. Check and tell me how much.
That Amarachi is out to destroy this family. It has been one trouble after the other. The most annoying part of it is that your father supports everything she does.
Mom, something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Dad does not behave like this. It might be he's under a spell. Mom, after all, we do not know who that girl is.
You might be right, son. You might be right. Your father's attitude towards that girl is something I cannot comprehend. Hey! Where are you coming from?
I went to make a phone call to my mom. It's been long I heard from her.
With whose permission did you leave this doctor?
Auntie, you were sleeping and I don't want to bother you.
Why did you not wait for me to wake up before going to make that call? This is 1 hour later. You just came back and you told me you went to call your hopeless mother. Oh, please. Sick and tired of all your troubles. Just get out. Get out. Go back to wherever you're coming from.
Please, I'm hear what she said. She said you should get out.
Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
What is your problem now, Marachi? Get out! My friend, open that gate. Come on,
get out! Come get out!
This one no happen, that one no happen. For poor man's story, oh, something must happen. If he know they complain, poor man they cry. It be like say he got there for suffer, oh, till he die. No enjoyment, oh, so management, oh, poor man life, oh. Na so come on. It's suffer not the end, yo. It's story to the bend, yo. Come on, life, oh. Na so come on.
Mom, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with her.
She'll be there until your father comes back.
Auntie, please.
She will not come back to this house again. Can you imagine? Nonsense.
If you open that gate, I will fire you this minute.
Not yes, ma'am. Not yes, ma'am. Don't open this gate for her again. Hear what I said. Yes, sir.
If this one no happen, that one no happen. For poor man's story, oh, something must happen.
Welcome. See, let me tell you, you and your sister have come to the end of your stay in this house. Bet me, both of you are leaving this house tomorrow.
Brother, what has happened again now?
What have you done? Oh, are you asking the question? Are you stupid to ask the question? Are you stupid?
Sorry.
See, let me tell you something. Let me warn you. You better start packing your clothes now because you might not have the time and the opportunity to do that tomorrow. Do you hear me? Don't take what I told you for granted, because if you do, nonsense.
What has happened again now? Abi, is this the usual way of them asking us to leave the house? My sister is not even aware of this. I have to inform sister of this one.
Maid, are you sure that will allow them to? You know how he behaves when he
No, Sissy, I am tired of all this nonsense.
Whether Dad will allow them or not, I don't care. I'm tired of all this nonsense. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Mom, we have to act. This time around, we have to act. Because we can't take this anymore.
I'm in support of what you just said. We have to do something about it.
I know by now, her brother must have packed their things.
Go to your room.
Huh?
Rosemary, I don't want to believe you left Amarachi outside the gate since the day.
Dad, we are tired of Amarachi's trouble in this house. We are tired of it. So, therefore, we have decided that Amarachi and her brother will leave this house tomorrow.
And who are you to decide in my house? You must be out of your mind to take such decision in my house.
My husband, I don't want to believe that you're indeed under a spell. Please, take those two out of this house so that peace can reign.
If there is any problem in this house, it is you and your children. They are not the problem in this house.
That is not true. They must leave this house.
Will you shut up? Shut up!
Did you hear that? Oh, Mom, leave me. Get out!
Wait to hold me. There are so many ways of killing a rat. But why? You fed up.
Mom, do something about this. Seriously, I'm just fed up. I'm tired of all this nonsense. Something else. Mom, do something. Do something.
Just few minutes. She's dressing up. Hurry up.
What about that young man? How did both of you settle?
He's still convincing me to leave my fiancé and marry him. But I can't do that. It's true, he's rich and handsome. But I don't want to break my fiancé's heart.
Clara, a bird at hand is worth more than $1 billion. If I were you, I would consider him to avoid regrets at last.
There's no need. I'm okay with the decision that I took.
I'm Chuma.
Oh, okay. You will go with my friend to her shop. She'll give you some things to bring home.
Clara, give her money.
Yeah.
I know, right? Come back home now.
Mecca. Oh, you will.
Okay, sir.
unfortunate it has to end this way. But I've forgiven you.
Sorry I kept you waiting. Oh, you're there? Did anybody come to look for me?
Yes, some people came to buy something, but I told them you're not around. They should come back later.
Hey, yeah, thank you, though.
Okay, let me start going.
Okay. Thank you, eh?
Uncle, good day.
Amarachi, where are you coming from?
Auntie asked me to go and get some provision from her friend's shop.
I see. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Hey! Tell me why I should be harboring such a person in this house. Hey!
What is that? And why are you distracting my peace?
She has done it again. Oh, make a name, make one also. Let me see how she will deny this one.
What has she done?
She went to Clara's shop and she removed the money she put in her shop drawer just because she went out to bring something from her home.
What?
Uncle, that's not true.
You shut up. What is not true? Liar! Did she not leave you in her shop? Did she not?
She did, but I did not.
Can you hear the
But I did not take anything from her shop now.
She's coming here with policemen, no? Eh? When she comes, they will arrest you.
Rosemary, how are you sure that your friend is telling the truth?
Clara cannot be lying to me now. Ha. My husband, they will arrest you as an accomplice.
I am sure that this is not the repetition of what happened some times ago in this house.
What is that supposed to mean? Eh? If you keep defending her, police. As for you, of course you know your stay here is over.
Uncle, I swear to God, I did not take her money. I've never stolen before in my life.
Are you sure?
Yes, Uncle. I swear by my father's grave. I've never stolen before.
What kind of a thing is this one? Since we came to this house, it's been one problem or another. My sister can go ahead and stay in this house. As for me, I'm going back to the village.
Where is she? Eh? Where is... What are you doing beside my generator? Eh? Idiot! If you want to die, instead of a gen, go and look for a transformer and hug it and die. Instead of this generator. Where is that thief? That one you said is your sister. Where is she?
I don't know, ma.
Oh. Hey, you don't know. Okay now. Who no, go no. It's a... Well, go to that room. Pack every piece of rag there you call your belongings. Because immediately the police come here, you will be living with your sister.
Ma, police.
Army. Idiot.
Ma, my sister is not a thief.
Who sought your opinion? Who asked you? Did I seek your opinion?
No, ma.
You a fool. Before they will say Rosemary is wicked, go now and pack your things so that you will not be naked wherever you're going. Come on, get inside. Fool.
Ewu, brother or son of a thief, Amam Cable. If she tries it, Clara will deal with that. Let me give you call Clara. She ought to have been dealt with this.
Can you ask him now to pack his things?
My husband, please don't tell me that you still want to have all this. After what I'm writing.
Rosemary, after I interrogated Daniel, I found out she's innocent.
Ah! She is not innocent. Okay, if she was innocent, why did she run? Huh?
She ran away? Dad, I don't know why you always talk about this girl in everything she does in this house. That this is unfair. This is a criminal matter.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know that? Why am I looking for you? I will take this one out. This one looks like a...
I wonder why she's not making comments.
It's good that she left without her.
Clara is always right.
You know what? Just call her.
Hello? Clara? Now what's going on now? What's the problem? I've been calling you for the past 30 minutes. Amarachi is missing. Eh? I should come to your shop? I hope everything is alright. Okay. Okay, I'll be there soon. Thank you. What did she say? That I should come to her shop. I'll go alone. I want to brush them before I get things. Okay.
I will not be happy if that girl escapes.
Escapes? To where? Where does she know in this city? She's not going anywhere. That girl will suffer. Trust me. Let's see how Daddy is going to help her.
If Daddy does not take time, that girl will land him into trouble.
You know what? I'm coming. Let me see my first. I think I have to see this.
At last, Amarachi and her brother will leave this house and go wherever they came from. I don't even know what they're doing staying in this house.
See if you can run away from this stupid girl. Criminal.
Mike, come, our madam is back.
Who knows where she's coming back from? Where are you coming from? Onyoshi, where are you coming from?
Yeah. Don't insult me. Don't insult me.
Chilekime, so you still have the man to talk. I should not insult you. Chief, Onyoshi, shut down. Come.
You know me, oh. Aga magbanyere gi film kinene.
Look at you.
Abako kill from Otua.
Power yourself. Give me na Nigerian film. Power yourself. Because of me, power yourself. Give me na film. Is it because I allowed you beat me the other day? I was not prepared. Power yourself. Film. Hey, Mike, film. Power yourself. I was not prepared. That's why I allowed you to beat me. But right now, I don't even know why
I trust you, my brother.
I don't even know why I want police
I
to
know
come.
what
You're a
you
woman. I can handle you.
See,
I'm taking.
You know
Different at this house. But
you
let me just don't worry. I know why I'm allowing you because I don't want to do something that will affect me because this house belongs to me. I'm still a student because if my father send me out of this house now.
Mike, calm down. We just have to keep a very close eye on this girl. Hear me. You know she's a fool. She's a thief. She can leave this house at any time. Let's not allow her to leave this place again.
See, when I'm talking to you right now, I'm not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I'm here right now.
Better.
Yeah? Don't allow anybody to go out. Oh.
Yes, sir.
If you see anybody coming in, open the gate. But don't allow anybody to go out.
Are you Chris?
Hey, Clara, what is going on? Where are the policemen? Talk about what now?
Sit down,
No, I don't have that kind of time. She needs to be arrested before she runs away.
Amarachi just left here.
She was here? And you let her go? Hey! Clara, hey!
Sit down, let's talk. That girl is not who you taught her to be. Sit down, let's talk.
What are you trying to say now?
I spoke with that girl. She's not what we thought she was at all. She told me everything about herself. Her father was really your husband's close friend. She's innocent.
And I thought you were my friend. I never knew you were a betrayer. So, you're even the one supporting someone who came into my home to destroy it.
No.
Please. I want you to know that our friendship is over. What is betrayal? My friend, excuse me.
Rosemary!
this house. Noye, come and see you. Okay? Noye, can you imagine?
What is it? Why are you boiling?
Can you imagine the clothes I bought out for this boy to wash? He has not washed them.
Wait, why now? Hey, guy. See, this boy is really growing ways in this house. I was even looking for him to go buy me something. Where is he?
See, I will deal with that boy in this house. I will tell him I am the owner of this house. I will tell him I am the owner of this house. Nnamdi! Nnamdi! Come here. Come here. Come here. Are you mad? Are you mad? Huh?
What have I done?
You're asking me. You're asking me. You're asking me. Tell me, what are those clothes? The clothes I gave you since morning to wash. What are they doing at the back here?
Is that why you slapped me?
Answer me!
I saw the clothes now. Don't try to make it easy for me to wash.
Did I tell you I stole my clothes?
Is that why you slapped me? Is that why you slapped me?
Are you stupid? I tell you to call me.
Is that why you are beating me?
I tell you to call me. Are you stupid? I tell you to call me. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Get up. Get up now. Get up. I said get up. Hold on.
Stand up.
Leave him. Get up. Tell me.
Stupid boy.
Why would you wash my clothes?
You are...
Are you mad?
This one go happen, that one go happen. For poor man's story, oh, something must happen. If he know they complain, poor man they cry. It be like say he go there for suffer, oh, till he die. No enjoyment, oh, so management, oh, poor man life, oh, na so come on. He suffer not the end, oh, his story to the end, oh.
Madam, welcome. You left for the market this morning and you're just coming back. Stupid girl. Is it because my mom is not at home?
Honey, you called me a stupid girl. You're looking for my trouble, oh. You are looking for my trouble.
And what can you do? You want to beat me? Aya, come now. Come and beat me. Stupid girl.
Mma gbanyere gị film.
Gbanyere film gbanyụọ ya. Na-akọ iri. Gbanyere film taa gbafọ ya. Gbanyere film. Stupid girl.
I don't have what I was saying to you.
Nonsense. Don't worry. When my mom comes back, I will tell her everything. Thief.
Nani? This girl is looking for my trouble. Mma gbanyere ya film. Anyways, let her father come back first. I'll report her to her father before doing anything to her. What happened to you?
Sister, is it not Mike? That is useless yellow purple sister. They can't do it against me.
What did you do to them?
Sister, I did not do anything. Were you not there when Mike asked me to wash his clothes?
I remember.
Sister, I decided to soak them to make it easier for me to wash.
Okay.
When he noticed that I soaked the clothes, he just came and he gave me a very dirty slap. Yes, sir. Sister, before I knew it, his sister joined and they overpowered me.
Wait, Nnamdi. Mike and Nonye did this to you. Because you didn't wash his clothes. Well, I'm going to fight them and they'll tell me why they beat my brother off. No! This is just too much. What is this?
Please don't fight. If you fight, you'll be creating more problems for us.
But look at what they did to you now.
Understand? No. Please don't fight. No, please.
It's okay. Don't worry. Let me go to the kitchen and make food. But you see my cannoni? They will not go free.
Sister, please do not go and fight.
Now leave me alone now. What is it?
Because I think hence the work Uncle promised us is not forthcoming. I think the best thing for us to do is to go to the village. This place is no longer safe for us, sister.
No. We are not going back to that village. We must achieve our aim of coming to the city. Did you hear me? Sorry. You see my canoe? Definitely for this.
Please don't do anything.
Okay, no. I'm sorry, yeah? Thank you.
Why did you leave the soup on the gas cooker? That putting it in the freezer and now it has soured.
I woke up and I saw it.
Oh, really? You woke up and you saw it that way? Did you report to me? You're sorry. You're sorry. Give me that book. Eh? Please, I don't have the stamina to start running around. Give me that book. Okay. Mommy. You want to fight me? Do you want to fight me? No. Give me. I'll hurt you. oh! You have injured me? How dare you? You are leaving this house today. If you touch me, I will kill you as square. Hey! Hey!
Rosemary.
I want to go to the police station, oh.
You want to go to the police station? To do what?
When you come back, you see what your girlfriend and her brother did to me.
What happened?
They beat me up. Amarachi threatened to kill me with a knife, a kitchen knife. As we speak, my mouth is still bleeding.
Rosemary, Amarachi and Nnamdi beat you? Hello, Rosemary.
This time around, you cannot protect her because I'm taking this case to court. I will make that girl suffer for trying to scatter my home.
And this one. Customers normally they come like that, but then go come, no worry.
Only one.
Hey.
Since morning.
Okay, I don't know.
Give me the money,
Okay.
How much did he pay you?
Okay, now 500 naira with the wash car now. The man dashed me this one.
Huh?
Because I wash the car very well. The man like car. How if you see the man just like the way I wash the car.
The man do what?
He like the way I wash the car.
Dash, oh, since I've warned you severally. Any money you collected here, whether dash or whatever, belongs to me. What is wrong with you? Give me the money, Jare.
Okay. So on my own now, eh?
It's like you are tired of this job. You are tired of this job. I said, give me the money. Amarachi, I'm talking to you. I said, give me the money. Take time, take time, take time. I'm paying you for God's sake. Nonsense. Why this motor is very fast? Where is the owner? Where is the owner? Come on. Just wash it very fast now. Huh? I say wash it fast.
doing this wicked to these children. This thing that you are doing, you will regret it, though. You will regret it, though.
I'm wicked up here. I have not come. I shall bring back officers and arrest me. Please.
Take them! Take them!
Clara, I thought you were my friend. I trusted you, told you everything about me. But what did you do? You snapped my back. I never knew you were not supporting those children to destroy my life. It's fine. I've come to pay you back. Leave my house! Leave your father, leave my house!
Wow. So wait. I have brought my intimacy with my mom, right?
Lies! Amarachi and her brother did not touch your mother. I know. Rosemary! Why not tell your son the truth?
So now, I'm calling my mom, right? Oh, see, you have to ask now. Oh, see, there again now.
Leave my house.
Mom, where are you?
Leave my house!
Where are you?
Leave my house! No. Rosemary, leave my house. I touched myself. Yeah! Rosemary!
Where's Ebuka?
Okay, Ebuka no dey. I make I tidy am for you now. For you. No be when I say wetin man fit do, woman fit do am pass. I go tidy your car na. No you go sabi.
Your face looks like I've met you somewhere before.
Onyenka! Come in now. I'm not sure the Bible from village.
I knew I've seen this face before. This is what you now do?
I know it's good to make person survive, I survive and I fine.
Are you sure you can wash this car?
I tried it now, Make I just wash am. Make I wash am.
Okay, then go ahead and wash it. I want to rush down the pharmacy there and get some drugs. Okay? And then, before I leave here, you have to take my number and give me a call. You deserve better than this. That's the key.
Thank you.
Amara, in the city.
asked me to come.
That's what? That's what? I thought you said you knew nobody in the city. So how then did you not know Eva? To the extent that he gave you an appointment? Explain what? Explain what, Amarachi? I am disappointed in you. So you could not be truthful to me about everything I went through in the hands of Rosemary because of you and your brother. Shut up! Shut up, Amarachi! Shut up! So, all this while, you've been seeing that man. You knew him and you've been seeing him. How was I to know that what you do in the morning when you leave this house is to go and sell your body to me? Hey! See, you are leaving my house. I can no longer harbor you in business. You are leaving my house today. Amarachi, go inside and pack your things and leave my house.
Enjoyment, so management, common life, na so common. It's a fan of the end, it's story to the bend, common life, na so common. If this one no happen, that one go happen. For poor man's story, something must happen. If he know they complain, poor man they cry.
Are you sure that's the reason she said she got to our house? So where have you been sleeping for 3 days now?
Sir, that was my house too.
You said he's your brother?
Please. Yes, I'm sorry for bothering you. I'll work for me right now to financial assistance and nobody was back to the finish. Can I be here for this?
You really want to go back to the village? It's alright, I've heard you. You go to me for your question. I'll call my second friend. Yes, come in. Yes, Abigail. Go down the street to any
My son, did you see today's paper?
No, Dad. Although my secretary brought a lot of newspapers today, but I didn't have time to go through them. I was very busy with work.
Your kidnapper friend and his colleagues were executed.
Really?
They were killed by hanging yesterday evening.
Well, the Bible says the wages of sin is death. I just hope they had time to repent. So God will forgive and accept their soul.
I always shudder with unhappiness each time I remember that young man's actions. Some people are so hopeless. What do we gain when we hurt our loved ones this way?
I call it stupidity. If I was told Obera would do it like that, I would never have believed it. I trusted him as a friend. I don't even know how I got entangled with someone with such devious character. That was a huge betrayal.
My son, he betrayed himself, not you. What do you think about
And I think the best we can do for them is just to offer a job.
do we have vacancies?
I can fix her somewhere.
It depends on what she can do. Go ahead with your plans. It's alright.
And that reminds me that Clara came to my office to warn and caution me. And she told me that Brother is loose. And she sleeps with virtually everybody. Would that be true?
Lincoln, good morning.
Good morning, Amarachi. How are you?
I'm fine. Please, can you open the inside? Let me wash it.
Who asked you to wash the car?
Lincoln, I've already cleaned Papa's own. It's mainly the inside.
You washed my father's car? When?
My name, see, I woke up very early this morning. And I wasn't doing anything, so I had to clean the car. My name, can you open the car? Let me clean the inside. Go and bring the key. Go and bring the key.
Okay, let me get the keys.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. What is it?
I know why you're doing all this.
What do you mean by that?
You wake up every day in this house. You wash the cars. You sweep the kitchen. Now you're sweeping the compound. What are you up to?
But, okay, what's wrong with what I'm doing?
You're asking me what's wrong with what you're doing. I see the way you parade yourself around him. Very soon, you will ask him to cook for you. You will not make any favor for me. You will not make me irrelevant in this house. It won't work.
Okay.
Please.
What have I done to you? Why are you talking to me like this?
I know every of your plans in this house. Were you looking this good when you came to this house?
No. Just yesterday that you came, he made you look this beautiful. I've been in this house a long time ago. I never bought me even a pin. He never bought for me. For you, he came yesterday. Now look at the way you're dressing. And you're asking me questions. Eh?
He came.
Please don't include me. Only God knows what you kept in that made me to buy you all these dresses. I shall wo.
Kim, Ikpo Mashawo.
Just continue. Very soon. Oh! I shall walk.
Why are you dressed like this?
So, is there anything wrong with my dressing?
There's something wrong with your head. What do you think you're doing?
I'm sorry, sir. Nothing. I thought my legs.
I might really be interested. Go get out of this place now. I have to do this. Come on, get out! Hey, come.
For you for a while now. Okay, Zay, what are you doing here?
I'm surprised you're asking me this question. Have you forgotten Mr. Harry? The man you meant to be his personal driver, you made away with $2.8 million and personal documents?
Hey!
Okay, Zay, please, can we see our side?
No. This is not necessary right now. I placed my life on line to make sure you get this job, and this is how you treated me.
Officers, get him arrested. He's a criminal.
Okay, sir, please.
Gentlemen, let's go.
Okay, sir, please.
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Mr. Harry, please.
Officers, please.
Give me.
Hey, come. Give me the car key. Give key motor.
Let's sort this thing out.
Please, leave him.
Officers, we can sort this thing out.
Let's go.
Please. People should not take him away.
Let's go.
Hey! Yes. I'm not going to come here.
Good morning, Dad.
Yeah. How are you, my son?
I'm fine, Dad. I'm set for work.
You are too early this morning.
Yeah, I know, but I need to be at the office early today because I have a lot on my desk.
Oh,
I need to tidy before the board meeting at home.
Oh, I see.
All right, Dad. See, sorry, did you later get in touch with Mom?
Yes, I spoke to her this early morning.
Oh, good. So, how is she?
The surgery was successful.
Thank God.
Yes.
Thank God.
But your sister insisted that she must have the second knee operation before coming back.
Well, that's a good idea considering the fact that they have better facilities there.
Yes.
And it will save cost. So I think they should just do it there before she comes back. All right, Dad. Whatever be the case, I'll call them when I get to the office. Let me run along.
All right. I'll join you in the meeting.
Oh, great. All right. We'll be expecting you, Dad.
Okay.
Take care of yourself. Be a good man.
Good luck to you. That's my son.
All right, Dad. Daddy, Nina and her husband have really tried for Mom. I mean, she stayed with them for a year and some months and there's no complaint.
That's the essence of a good in-law. It's Bogo, Amaka. It's Bogo, Amaka.
Yes, I want you to make a list of all the things we need in the house. Mom is coming back very soon, so we can go tomorrow and get those items.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Yes, that reminds me, you have not answered me anything concerning what I discussed with you about Amarachi.
Oh, Dad, chill. I'm still observing her. I'll give you a reply soon.
I wonder what you'll be observing about Amarachi.
It's not everything you should know. Allow me make my assessments.
Okay, I'm waiting for your reply. Mana matakwa na $1 million neju. Double one kita.
Ama. Come in. Amarachi.
Sir, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Please sit. Sit. Have some apple.
Thank you.
No, go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Amarachi.
Sir.
Do you know that you're a very beautiful girl? Yes. Why are you behaving like this?
I was doing something when the game came to come by you.
Yes, I like you. That's obvious. I just want you to sleep with me here tonight.
I'm sorry, sir. Let me go.
No, don't. Listen to me. Don't be scared of me. I won't hurt you. I'm a human being like you. Okay, I promise to increase your salary to 150,000 naira per month if you do this for me.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't do it.
Why are you acting this way? I'm not doing this to take advantage of you. I love you deeply, and that's the truth.
I'm sorry.
It's either you sleep with me or you lose your job. Not only that, I'll collect the keys to the store from your brother, take back that business, and you both will leave this house.
Sir, it's not like I don't appreciate everything you've been doing for me and my brother. But I'm sorry, I can't sell my body to you or any other person. I would rather go back to the village.
Seriously? Okay, then prepare a resignation letter and get it across to me first thing tomorrow morning. Leave my room.
This one no happen, that one no happen. For poor man story, oh, something must happen. If you know they complain, poor man they cry.
That was what happened. My dad has been in the police custody for the past 1 year now.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Wait, so you mean your dad stole someone's money? That's how he became rich?
And the money was huge. The money was big. The worst part of it is that we now stay in one-room apartment.
Seriously?
Everything we had was confiscated by the court. You know what? We've been looking for you and your brother to apologize for everything that happened. My mom later confessed that you and your brother didn't touch her. She made up that story just to put you guys in trouble.
She did?
She did. Please, could you come with me to the house to see my mom? She'll be so happy to see you.
Nani, I'm sorry I can't come with you.
Why?
My brother is waiting for me somewhere. But see, do me this favor. Tell your mother I have forgiven her. From my heart. Okay?
Amarachi, what's the meaning of this?
We're going back to the village.
You're
I
not
don't know
going...
what you want.
No, you're not going anywhere. Take that bag back into the house. Hey, that's the key. Take your bag into the house and go to the shop.
What are you trying to do? Nando, please, let's go.
I said take your bag into the house and ask to.
What are you trying to do?
You passed the test.
What?
I didn't mean everything I told you last night. It was a test based on what Clara told me about you.
You mean you...
Shh. I know I have hurt you. I know I've hurt you. And I've caused you a lot of pain. But I want you to forgive me, please. I didn't mean for you to take it this way. Please marry me.
Please stop it if it's a joke.
Nobody jokes with something as serious as this. You're a beautiful woman, industrious, intelligent in all ramifications. You are all I need in a woman. Please accept this ring from me. Do not say no, I beg you.
Love changes everything. You're the one I want, no other will do. I wanna share my life with you, only you. Love makes everything alright. The pain has gone away. Love has come to stay.
Congratulations, my daughter. Yeah, you have proven yourself trustworthy. Now, give me a hug. Come on. It's all right, it's all right. My son, your mother will be so happy.
I'm sure she will. Thank you so much, Dad.
Thank you. All right, let's go inside. This calls for celebration.
Love makes everything alright. It's only you, no one else will do.
Come in. Dinner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, I'll join you soon.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, also inform Amarachi. Let her know now.
Okay, sir.
Love has come to stay. Love makes everything alright.
Udoka, where is this ball? Come! Open the gate. ma.
Ellen!
That was a long time. Was ready. Yeah, beautiful. What? Amarachi, this is the most beautiful woman in this our kingdom. Yeah? All right. Yeah? Good morning, Mom. Good morning. How are you? What's wrong? Are you okay? What's the matter, Amara? No, what's wrong with you? Can you talk to me? What's wrong?
Let her.
Amara!
My son, sit down.
What?
Sit down.
What's going on? What did you say to her?
That's why I said you should sit down. I was happy when you informed me on phone that you have found your missing boy. I came back only to discover that the most treasured missing boy is a nobody, no education, and no social class, from a very poor family. My son, I'm disappointed in you.
What did you say to her?
I made it clear to her that my son can never marry from a low class family.
How would you do a thing like that? Why would you tell her something like that?
You cannot marry her. You need someone who can match your job with your status in the society.
Amara! Amara! Amarachi, open this door! Amarachi! Amara, please open this door and hear me out, please! Amara! Can you please open and listen to me, please? Flora, that young lady is obedient. She's industrious. And she's down to earth. She will make a good wife for our son.
I'm surprised you are saying this. This is unlike you, my husband. Someone who could not finish her secondary education.
But that is a different thing you are talking about.
It is never a different matter. There are many educated young ladies out there. Eva should take time and search for someone who is in same class with him.
Mom! But what's the meaning of this? Do you know what you have just done? You have ruined my happiness.
Amarachi is an illiterate. It can never work between both of you.
For your information, Mom, I love Amarachi with all my heart. And it's either I get married to her or nobody.
Not when I'm alive.
Sit down. That what's wrong with Mom? I said sit down. Sit down, son. Listen to me. I don't want this to bring any unhappiness between you and your mother. We will settle this thing amicably. I don't know whatever way you want to settle it that, but it's either I get married to Amarachi or nobody. And that's my point. Eva!
Do not take it to heart. I still want to marry you. Please accept this ring back.
Please, I don't want trouble between you and your mom. You can look for someone else. I decided to quit my job and leave this house too.
You're not quitting any job and you're not going anywhere. You are the one I have chosen. Just make me a happy man, please.
I'm sorry, I can't. I don't want problems. Yes, it's true, you've done a lot for me and my brother. And I truly appreciate it. But I don't want problems, please. Please.
Why are you doing this?
I went to your room, you were not there. Your father wanted to see both of you.
Okay, Mom. Did you inform my father about your plans to leave the house and quit the job?
You're the first person I'm telling this.
I wonder why they are not coming out. I don't know why.
I don't know why it's taking them time to come out.
Yes. I hear they come.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Mom.
Yes.
Good morning.
I called you out here. I had a long talk with your mother here. And she's making a lot of emphasis on the area of education.
Dad, I beg you in the name of God, please. I have had enough heartbreak already.
Allow him to finish first.
Okay, sorry for interrupting.
There is no problem without solution. Eva, you are a learned man. And whoever you are going to marry must be learned too.
I don't understand.
Okay, let me put it in a more concise way. I and my wife here have agreed that you can go ahead and marry Amarachi. After which you will enroll her in school.
Oh my God. Are you serious, Father?
Yes.
Thank you.
Love.